and gentlemen, how's it going? It's your boy Frank with another DIY with Daniel, of course, and we are just here to wish you a happy 2024. We wish you all the best into this new year. So moving on in today's video, stay tuned. Let me show you what we're about to do. So we are here working on this Mercedes-Benz C230. Actually, that one has the 1.8 engine with a compressor, I believe that you can see right there. So we are about to work on the gearbox because the gearbox has been leaking. So in order to make sure that we fix the issue, we had to buy a dipstick, because this car actually it only comes with this cap, and you actually don't have how to measure the oil. So you have to make sure that you buy a dipstick for the gearbox when you're doing this kind of job. And we bought this kit. Let me just show you what it has. So this kit comes with the oil. As you can see, we have 7 liters of oil right there. We have the plug, which usually is from where the oil generally leaks off. We have the pan for the gasket, and also we have the filter for the gearbox. So what we will go ahead and do now, I have the car sitting on jack stands. I'll go ahead and drain the remaining oil that we have on the gearbox, because I know the car has been leaking. Even on the garage where it sits, we have oil on the ground, and it was not shifting. It was only shifting second and third. It was on limp mode. So as I mentioned to you guys, the gearbox was leaking. You can probably see just right here. Basically it has oil under it. So right now we are going to open the plug for the thumb and drain the oil. So just remove the pan, as you guys may be seeing there on the bottom, and we have some drips coming down. So the filter is this one, located just right here. We just have to wiggle it a little bit until it comes loose. Maybe see that also the gasket is down there. And also we have the plug that we have to replace, which is this one right here, the electrical connector, which is the one that was causing the gearbox to leak. So I will go ahead and remove the filter. As you may be seeing, it still has some oil in it coming out. I just dropped it on the pan. So now it's time to do the connector, which actually you just have to turn it this way, just like that. And as you can see, the connector slides off. There it is. And then you just have to take it out. So this is the electrical connector, and I believe that you can see that a small bolt that we have inside. It is a 7mm bolt. So basically you will need a wrench. I will be using this one to remove the old connector on the car. So, okay, so there we go, got the connector out. But as you can see, the plug is out. So now I will go ahead and insert the new one, screw it in and connect it back, put the new filter, clean the sump, and we should be ready to top the oil. As you guys may be seeing there, we have the new filter in. So now it's time to clean the pan and the surface to be ready to receive the new gasket. This is the old filter. As you can see, it has a lot of dust. Even here on the magnet, you can probably see that we have some gunk. So let me just go ahead and clean it up. Just clean it up, the sump and the magnet, as you guys may be seeing there. So now we'll go ahead, put the new gasket back on, install it back to the car. We should be ready to go. So finish it up, everything down there on the car. So we installed back the pan with the new gasket. So now Daniel is pouring some oil. Bye. Okay, so finish it up, adding oil, setting up the car, putting it in reverse, neutral, drive, neutral, reverse, park. Again, reverse, neutral, drive, neutral, reverse, drive. So right now I'm just checking for leaks. And so far everything looks good. Now we are testing, and now we can shift manually, which is one thing that was not allowing us to do previously when it was on limp mode. So success repair.
And I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.